So guys, just to let you know that there's a train called the Windrush train. This is a Windrush line. And you know what is so sad about this train? I think all of us from the Windrush generation should travel for free. And we're not traveling for free. If I had known that there was a Windrush train, I would not have paid. I would have walked on this train and professed that I am from the Windrush generation. Oh my God, I never knew that the name of this train was changed to the Windrush train. This train don't carry no idlers. This train is a Windrush train. I have never seen this. Look at that, guys. Windrush line, platform 1. Oh. So this is the final stop, and it is in Highbury and Islington. So here we go. The Windrush train. Oh, this is beautiful. Windrush is finally recognized. I hope all those people who came to this country on this train, the Windrush, I hope they get recognition. You know what? If this is a Windrush train, then I should be at liberty to go in and drive the train myself. Look at that. Woo! This is the Windrush line. I wonder how the other people feels about it. They must be miserable. Oh, I think we should have a train called the Holocaust train or something like that. But Windrush, hey, Windrush train. Woo! I'm feeling proud. I'm feeling proud to be from that generation of the Windrush. Where are we going? I'm not taking on the train.
Okay, let's go out then.
I don't like underground. I told you. Oh. Oh. Twenty-three. Ooh. I feel liberated to know I just traveled on the Windrush train. I hope this train goes to Jamaica. They need to have a Windrush train going to Jamaica. Highbury. Where does it say?
I'm looking at the station. I'm looking at that